Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to use Genome Center reporting application. The first step is download an application named Google Chrome. When you have downloaded the Google Chrome, open it and you can see a Google written on it. This is called search bar and this is called address bar. You have to write our URL in this exact location. If you write it on here, like let's suppose 42.201.170.174:81, it will not get you to the online reporting that we are providing you. Some people open it like this: patients reports genomic lab. It's genomic lab, it's not our lab. Okay, and so you don't have to go there. I will show you the example of this website. This is the web page people usually open to check Genome Center's reports. They enter their username here and enter their password here and then login, and their reports doesn't show. This is not our website. You simply have to go right up there and you have to write 42.201.170.174:81. Then you have to press enter and this will open. This is our website for online reporting. I will write a username, let's suppose CMD. I have entered the username and password and then I have to wait. It will take me to the reporting page. This is the reporting page. As you can see, it's written Genome Lab and there is our logo and there is the center's name whom I have opened the link, and this is our location, Abdalian Society Lahore. This message is showing that which is originally generated by Genome Center Abdalian Society head office. So you can see there is date which shows you from date and this is to date. There are many different ways to check your online reports. First you have to enter order number, which you usually don't have. Then you have to enter internal reference number, which was provided by the Genome Lab. So this number usually you don't know if you have to get the report. This section is named as external reference number. External reference number is that number which was provided by other lab whom have sent the sample. So let's suppose the external number was 1234. If you write 1234 and then enter, if there is data available, it will show you 1234 number. As you can see, it loaded 1234 January 2018, April 2018 and 10th July 2020. There are 3 patients having 1234 external number. This is the one way. If you know the external number, you can simply enter your external number and get your reports. And if they are doubling and tripling, you can differentiate by the names. The other step is click here, select the date. I will select date 1st September and then click on the load button. Then I will wait till it's completed its loading. Once it have loaded all the data, you can see every patient detail right here. There are pages which can show you how many pages you have from 1st September to 17th September, the date you have selected. This one showing you how many entries you have. It shows you 132 entries. And let's suppose you want to search a patient name. I will go to this page. This is the 4th page and this name is Nazia Bibi. So I don't know where is Nazia Bibi. Let's write the name here, Nazia Lo. Then you can see Nazia Bibi 2 patients with the name of Nazia. Since I have written Nazia, so it's showing me Nazia Bibi and Nazia both, and first number is 460 and other number is 461. If you have to check out the print, then simply click on this button. It will load. I will go back to the previous section, and also same here. Check out the details from here. You can see details, status, alert, descriptions, and many other things. Let's close it for now and go to our report section. This is the report which I have loaded and I want to print. Simply Ctrl P and this will show you your printer and other things if you have already installed in your computer. If you want to download your report with our letterhead, then simply click this button and open the report. It will show you report with our report header and report footer. One thing left, let me show you that one also. You can see alert list here. If you simply click on this see comments, you can see test name. Test is on repeat process, will report on 4th September 2020 on 7 pm. So it was created by Bilal Arif on date this. And as you can see, there is print button, so you can download your report. When there is an entry and it's not showing this button, it means report is not completed. You have to wait till the report is completed and you can download it. This is it for now. There are two other applications which I will show you in the next video.